Not a lot to see around here today, is there? Really quite... Oh! Where did that come from? Well, hi guys. I've finally got the bloody thing on the road, didn't I? I've basically spent all week trying to put crash guards on it, skid plate, centre stand, hand guards, radiator guard and stuff like that. So it's tied me up. And I was on nights last week, so I didn't really have the time to get into it like I wanted to. But there she is. There she is. What's my hot take from being riding it the last 10-15 minutes from the house? It's big and it's heavy, and it doesn't turn in like a 650. SD card's playing up here, so just going to be a short one. Yeah, it's big, heavy. The power's there, definitely. The gearing's a little bit high for some, I just can't get my head around that. He probably doesn't know what I'm talking about. Neither do I, but don't worry about it. Yeah, initial impressions, big, heavy. It's not a 650. What else can I say about it? I've only been in it for 10-15 minutes. Yeah, it's powerful. You need to be careful. You need to switch on. This is the basic version. It doesn't have the spoked wheels or the extra gravel option or the cruise control, and it's still got the old NAF mirrors, but that makes it a little bit cheaper, so beggars can't be choosers, you know what I mean? Should we start it up before the SD card pegs it again? Let's have a look. I was looking at getting a can for it, going a bit daft with the spending at the moment, but actually I don't think I'm going to bother. I quite like it. It's going to take a bit of getting used to, because it's, as I say, it's got that power there and it's not as flickable. But I just like it now. I've got it the way I want it. Tarted it a little bit. So, right guys, I'm going to try and grab 2 minutes of riding on it for the camera. But SD card is totally buggered. Okay, let's have a little ride before the GoPro pegs it again. I have to be careful at the moment. I'm still on virtually brand new tyres here. They don't look like they've been scrubbed, and as you can see, the tarmac is absolutely crap. It does shift, man.